Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So this is my hair before I started using MSM. I'm also be doing my challenge of using braids. So this is my hair before I started any of these challenges. Okay, this is my hair before and this is my hair after using MSM and after doing the braid challenge, the 2 months braid challenge I did of last 2 months ago. So this is my hair. So I'm going to be showing you guys 3 ways I will using MSM on my regime that helped me to promote my hair growth. So besties, the first thing we are going to be doing is oil, hair growth oil. So the full video about this oil is in my channel. You can do it to check it out. So this oil, I made it for my daughter. So I'm taking part of the oil. So I'm going to be enhancing the oil more by using MSM powder. Okay, so I'm going to be putting the benefit of MSM powder on the screen so that you can know that MSM powder is amazing for hair growth. So I am using 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, so after this I'm going to be pouring a little bit of a batch of the oil inside, then I'll allow this to infuse. Okay, like I'll allow this to dissolve inside the oil, then I'll pour it in my application bottle. So this is what the oil looks like. So I'm just mixing everything together and making sure that the MSM has infused inside the oil before I transfer it in my application. But if you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on the video to watch it. I literally appreciate. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share it, leave your beautiful comments. So any resident that is remaining, I make sure I pour everything, like literally everything inside. So if the MSM has not totally melted, it will melt inside the jar. I just pour the oil inside. So for application, you just put the oil on your scalp or you can use it on your palm, rub it on your hair, and it will help you to improve hair growth. Okay, so I am going to be doing a new challenge using this oil too as well, which you guys will see it. You see me using more of this oil in the channel. Ever since I started using MSM on my hair, I've seen a lot of increasement in terms of growth on my hair, and these mini braids have really helped my hair in the terms of growth, hair retention, and there's a lot of difference in my hair. So loves, I'm just going to massage it, and I will show you the next thing to use MSM with. So another way you can use MSM is by putting it in your hairspray. Okay, so as I said, you can use 1/4 teaspoon or 1/8. Okay, so you pour it inside your hair growth spray and you spray it on your hair. You can use this 3 times in a week. Okay, you can use the spray 3 times in a week, and for storage it can last up to weeks in your fridge and to not get spoiled. Okay, so I'm just going to spray this all over my hair and massage it on my hair. So this spray is already in the channel. You can do it to check the spray out as well. So I always do this, like I do a batch of 1 week for my hair growth tea. So I split the spray into 2. One of my spray jar, I use it 3 times in a week. That one contains my MSM and the other one does not contain MSM. So that's what I always do on my hair, and this routine has been working for my hair. Another way you can use MSM is by putting it in your deep condition and to enhance the product of your deep condition. Okay, so this is a deep condition I did. It's already in the channel. You can do it to check the deep condition out. So you can just use it to rub it on your deep condition, add it to your deep condition. I did one with a deep condition which was so awesome. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys after application of the deep condition on my hair. This is what my hair looks like. If this MSM is going to strengthen your hair, it's going to help you to improve hair growth and give your hair a lot of volume. Okay, best friends, so if you have watched this extent, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you have not, like the video, share it. Have you used MSM before? And how was your experience using MSM on your hair? Did it help you to improve your hair growth? I've read that you can also take it internally. Okay, like take it, like drink it as well. But for so loves, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoy it. These are 3 ways you can use MSM to improve your hair growth, and I see a lot of results on my hair. My hair is more thicker, my hair is more stronger, my hair is more, my hair is more darker. And yeah, I'll see you all in my next video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.